I'm coming into the house.
Look at his face.
What's up? Santa Claus is up.
Nate, I also got something to talk to you about.
Dude, I got a question for you. What? Dude, do you remember, okay? Really think about this, okay? So back in the day, like, it was just like the first time me and you had ever talked.
Mm-hmm.
Third grade.
Third grade. And we were sitting there chilling, dude. And you was like, dude, I got something to show you. I was like, what? And he was like, I got these freaking Bakugan's. And we started playing with them, right?
Yeah, and I gave it to you, and then I told on you that you stole it, and I got it back.
You know you did it?
Yeah, I remember that.
Why did you do that?
That was second grade.
No, really?
Because it was Miss Barney.
Oh.
Yeah.
Austin said it was because he found out it did something and you didn't know it did
Like,
it.
it just opened up normal, but I grabbed it and I pulled out like wings on it and then something else on it.
Yeah, and I didn't know it did all
He didn't
that.
know it did all that.
And you told all them.
Yeah, I said, I don't remember exactly what I said, like if he stole it from me or what.
Did we ever talk about it?
I don't know.
I think I asked you.
You probably did.
I think you did say, you was like, dude, I didn't know I did that.
Yeah.
I want it back. No, just
I didn't even get it all.
go ahead.
What they got me? Lowering springs.
Double wrapped it.
Double round, yeah. I think I know.
What the?
Let's go. Buenos dias.
This man goofy, bro. He wants to watch me do my intro so bad. What's going on, guys? It's your boy. So today, we're back here at the shop. We're going to be putting some lowering springs on Betty. And hoping it goes pretty good. We just went to, last night we cleaned the car and got it all looking good so we can get some rollers and stuff. I think Nick's coming up here later. Got this new little tripod I can hold now, and we can set it up and like record. I got a little button I can press, and so yeah, we're gonna test that out today. So let's go in here and see what Philip's up to.
Let me show you something.
All right.
So over here, if you look on the side of the bolt,
Yep.
see how it's got this little screw, you gotta look over here. It's a
Yeah.
little indentation is to be able to do this. You can also use a
Oh, it's meant to be
chisel.
punched out.
yeah.
I did not know that.
Yeah.
I'm not going shopping. I'm going to pick up.
I'll take $1 million and a bottle of whiskey. Hit it one time, just till it goes to. All right, and then you always go in a star pattern. Then you go back to your first one, and you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay.
That way. What are you doing?
There we go, y'all. There's the fitment on the BMR 1.5 inch lowering drag springs. This thing is sitting really, really nice. I really, really like this. Let me give y'all one more show from this side.
Go up and they're like,
Yeah. Ow. Ow. God, I hurt my hand. Yeah. Dude. Is she squatted?
Hold on.
Squatted?
Let me check. Oh yeah, she squatted.
Check the front.
Yeah, she squatted.
I look good.
You look good, bro.
I really felt like a squatted truck driver right there. The creeper?
Yeah.
Oh, it's probably not in here. Creeper.
Oh, there it is.
Oh man.
I swore I seen one.
Yeah, hey, it's over there. No problem.
Is a 2006 Mustang GT. Look
Okay.
it up. GT stands for Gran Turismo. If you know anything about the games, there's fast cars in there.
You probably actually did look that up,
I
didn't you?
did. This means this is fast as
Okay.
all right. Next, you come to the end.
Track pack?
Also, it is a track pack. 355 gears instead of 331s. If you don't believe me, look up CD. All right. Next, everybody talks about a 5.0. 5.0. I don't care. I call it a 5-point slow. Think about it. Scat pack, snack pack, SS, super slow. Tell me what you can say about a 4.6. What slang goes with that? I can't think of one. 4.6 equals 4.6 liters of can of whoop.
4.6. You suck dick.
Next, we have this air box right here, right? You may think this is a stock air box, stock intake, whatever. This right here adds 50 wheel horsepower. Next, you come over here. You see these? You see these?
Yeah, we
These
see
add an
those.
extra 50 because not all cars come with fog lights.
Okay. Okay.
This is a special edition. Then we come over here again. You can see Gran Turismo.
General trends.
Gran Turismo.
General trends. Okay.
Come to the back.
Wait, no, you said greater transmission. That's what I mean.
This right here also stands for greater transmission, of course.
Greater than what?
5.0s, of course. MT82, MT BELLOW, of course, blows up on you. Next, we have this big GT badge. I don't care what you say. That's not stock. It don't come with that.
Okay.
This is the best package of a 3-valve that you can get. Puts about.
What about the GT500?
They don't make those anymore.
Okay. Okay.
So then we go to, you just look at the whole car, of course.
He had to have SLP loudmouth because that's all they can do is talk.
Also, catless, which means 100 extra horsepower to the freaking tire, bro.
You're gutted, so it's only 50.
That's not bullshit. This car
Oh, that's a
makes
good
about-
point because you still have cats, but they're gutted.
As soon as you touch the gas pedal, your soul leaves the car.
It makes 190 wheel horsepower.
And then, look at this. This
Okay.
right here is very aerodynamic. When the wind comes up on it, it's like when you're playing
get the
Gran
POV.
Turismo.
POV, you're the wind. This is a pretty accurate of how I'll be. I'll be up there. You'll be back
Look,
here with your hood popped because you broke.
Let's come over here. Let's talk about it.
Oh, I know what it is. I'll be in front of you. You'll be back here with your hood popped because your spark plugs went bad.
Let's talk about this. So a lot of people, they want to go fast, of course.
Yeah.
So their first thought is, let me get a Mustang.
Yeah.
They want a 5.0. Of course. Why wouldn't you?
Yeah, they're better.
When you look at it, these right here,
Yeah.
you
RTR.
add these to make yourself look faster. Okay? Everything about this car is to look faster. This hood, then
Well, mine's carbon, and
I have the next
yours
point. I have the next point, sir.
yours
This right
is
here.
nothing.
This right here, they have to put the size engine on it. That'll make no sense because you know what this car's not? A Gran Turismo. Gran Turismo cars are fast. And the thing on the
Well-
back that says Gran Turismo, he put that on, okay?
It
It's fake.
says
It's shit.
Gran
Right here,
Turismo from the
you
back.
see that laptop right there?
Yeah, that's because
not
I'm
used
fast.
in the way that you should.
Yeah, that's because I'm fast and I have to
That's not
tune
used,
it.
that's not, he don't use it for that.
Follow me on Instagram.
Right here, this is about the biggest thing you can do right here to your car. A wheel and tire setup.
Yeah.
Drag pack.
Which you don't have.
Drag pack.
Yeah.
Right? These right here change a lot for you, of course. But when you look at it, you would think this right here is boosted. It makes 3,000 horsepower.
Yeah.
But you would be mistaken
You'd probably be right.
because, and you can't see it right now because the hood's broke, so we can't pop the hood for you. This is actually a 3.7 liter.
Oh.
I was messing the whole time. This is a 3.7. You know, great cars, you know, for my grandpa that just got out the war, wants to get him a little car because the V8's too fast.
What's this?
Then we'll come to the back.
GT Gran Turismo.
As I said before, this is
What's it?
aftermarket.
Greater transmission than this POS.
That is not true, ladies and gentlemen.
I have more gears.
I don't care. MT82 against whatever the
You don't even know what's in your own car.
The Tremec, that's what it's called.
Tremec what?
Tremec. Then, just to talk about that for a second, you have a Tremec transmission in this car. Shifts perfectly. Go from second to third gear. I have nothing in my way. I have no brick walls being slammed in the middle and I can't hit it.
Well, I don't either now.
See, but that's the thing. These people are talking about all these built cars. You have to take them stock for stock. The car's so dirty. Let me tell you why the car's so dirty.
Yeah, your car is like really filthy. Like
Let me tell you why the car's so
it's
dirty.
filthy.
The car's so dirty because I can go in the snow, I can go in the dirt, I can go anywhere.
Because it's because you're slow and you can hook on these.
Look over there and make sure that looks better.
I'll see y'all later.
All right, so Nick's rear tires won't come off, and we don't have the right key.
You need this exact thing, except thin wall.
Yeah, 21 millimeter.
It has to be thin.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So Nick's tires won't come off. Are your keys in the car? Your keys in the car, Philip?
Should be.
All right. All right, so Nick's wheels won't come off, so now we're going to take the Passat, and we're going to go get a new like thing to do it with, because the ones we have won't work. Well, we got all the way here, and Philip called Nick and said that he got it off. So now we don't need the socket.
But it's better than spending $35.
Yeah, you had to buy a whole set. You couldn't just buy one socket, obviously. So we were going to spend $35 on it, and that would have sucked. Coming down, boys. Nick, come over here. Live reaction to your fitment. Oh.
The front's noticeable. I mean, they both are. But I can tell more in the front.
I
Yeah,
wonder if the spring is supposed to go the other way.
I was just thinking that. Nick, pull up like a video real quick. Cause that's not right. The lowering springs might be upside down, so me and Nick are just watching a video and trying to how to do it. So yeah, they were upside down. So jacking the car back up, we're gonna flip them upside down, and then it should fix this, because that looks good, that doesn't.
All right,
Clear.
coming down. Better?
I don't know, it's kind of the same.
He probably just needs to settle once it
Yeah.
down the street a little bit.
Oh, it set a little bit. Uh-huh. Hey, you're good, just sit there for a second. Turn it off. Yeah, it looks great, dude. Looks so much better.
Right here, I'll tell you.
Oh! Nick, do it over, bro. Hey, you gotta see his. His is clean.
Okay.
Get mine, get mine, get mine. You ready? Yeah.
Oh.
We are so white. It's insane. Yo, we just got Burger King. I don't know what that was about that dude. That was just very random. I just asked him to come outside and hit the jerk. We just had a little jerk off. Okay, so these are the cars lowered. There's Nick's. Turned out really, really good on the front. So Nick's shocks on the back are just not, like, they're a little too stiff, so we're gonna switch out for mine. Here's my car lowered. Looks really, really good. Nick, you happy with your car?
Yes, sir.
So there's both of them. So there's the two cars lowered. We got Betty, we got Thunder 3 valve in here. If you guys did enjoy this video, I know it wasn't too much. We'll get more videos with these two cars in a little bit. But if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you drop a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. And yeah, Nick just got a new tune. We just finished filming that video tonight. So if you guys are ready, make sure you subscribe. It's a popcorn tune. Everyone loves them. Everyone likes them. And it sounds pretty insane, I ain't gonna lie. So if you guys are excited for that, make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss that video. And on that note, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.